Hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode on our channel Mayor Official, the place where we share about business, life, money and self-growth. Today we shall be doing a continuation on our video how to start your side hustle from scratch and make it something big and better. Last week we shared a couple of things. I appreciate the comments, the views and everything we shared. Thanks to all those who commented on our video last week. Thanks Christine, thanks Darwin. I really appreciate. Make sure you also comment on this week's episode, whoever watches this video. As we shared last week, you have to make research and know the side hustle you're going to venture in. You have to get connections in the field you're going to venture in, and you have to define clear goals. So today, we start off by getting a name for our side hustle. This is one of the things that will identify you from the different businesses and side hustles that are all over the world. If you get the name of your business, this is the unique thing that people always define you amongst all the other things or all the other businesses out there. So make sure you get a name for your business. Make sure you get a name for your side hustle. This is the next step in building our side hustles. Now that our business has a name and we can identify ourselves from all the other businesses out there, now the next thing is making sure we are present on the different digital platforms. It's making sure we are present on Facebook, on Twitter, Instagram, depending on the type of audience you're appealing to. This is very important because these days a lot of things are moving from analog to digital. So you want to make sure that when someone is looking for you, they can get you on your social platform. I've seen quite a lot of businesses that have started just from a tweet from different people, and I myself also can testify that I've gotten some customers out there just because someone retweeted my tweet. You have to make sure once you're starting out your side hustle, you need every person, and the social media has a lot of people, a bigger community that can always gain interest out there on your products. So if you're present on digital, it means you have even a wider range of customers and market for your goods before you even start out. Most of us usually want to start our side hustles by ourselves. But if we make an analysis, we see that companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, usually they started with two people. What am I trying to say? Work with a trusted partner if you have one. When you do it alone, it's more stressing and challenging. But if you have a partner, it becomes easier for you to work on your side hustle, because this partner will always bring in some aspect of the business that you can't handle yourself. And you can't do all things by yourself at the start. So usually I advise, if you can get a partner who can bring something you don't have, the combination of you two will make the business thrive at the start. So if you can get a partner you can work with, please work with one. But you have to make sure that you put clear guidelines on the different things you're going to handle, each one of you, so that you don't collide and it doesn't become hard for you to do business. So if you have a partner, I assure you work will become easier. But it will only become easier if you define clear guidelines. Make sure you have a partner if you're starting out your side hustle. But if you don't have one, it's still okay, but I recommend having one. Always start small. I remember I started my first side hustle from this box. A lot of people usually say, what if I have the money and I don't want to start small? My dear, you have to start small. Because if you start big, it's like testing the depth of water with both feet. So while you're starting out, you have to make sure you start small. It's not bad to start big, but remember things about business and side hustle, it's try and error. So if you start big, you're trying all your capital, and if things don't work out, it's very easy for you to lose out. But if you start small, it's easy for you to progress slowly by slowly, and make sure as things go on well, you are investing bigger and bigger each and every day. So even if you have the opportunity of starting big, please start small, and then you can always invest and make the thing grow big, other than testing the depth of the water using both feet. This is one of the best things you can always do while starting out in business. This is not only, by the way, about side hustles, but even businesses. It's very good to start small and you keep projecting yourselves depending on your capital or the money or the sales you're making each and every day. Once you start your business, you have to make sure that you become a strong salesman, because in the very start, no one will love your business as much as you do. You're the person who knows how much you've invested, how much time you have used to research and come up with this idea. So if you don't become your own salesman to sell your product, to sell your side hustle to different people, no one will do it better than you can do it. So if you're ready to start a side hustle, make sure you become a salesman. A lot of people usually say, I'm not good at selling is not my thing, I can't do it. But my dear, once you start, you have to do it. So once you start out, make sure you become a strong salesperson. As the business grows, you can start employing people who can do the sales for you. But in the very start, you have to make sure that you yourself, you are your own salesperson. This will help you to gain sales each and every day, and will help other people also to get to know your business through you, because you are the business, you're the side hustle. So you have to make sure people get to know your business through you. So as we've shared today, you have to make sure your business has a name. Make sure your business is present on the different digital platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all these other things. You have to make sure that you get a partner if you can get one. Start small and make sure you become a great salesman. I did a video about selling anything to anyone at any time. So if you didn't check out this video, click on the link above to check out this video. So once we have all these things in place, my dear, what is stopping you from starting your side hustle? Once you finish watching these videos, please make sure you have the side hustle and share in the comment section to let us know which side hustle you've started. Share more and more ideas about how we can build our side hustles from scratch and make them something big and better. And don't be selfish. If you know someone who is also willing to start up their side hustle, please let them watch this video, share this video so that they can get the information before they start out their side hustles. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mayor Official, and invite each and everyone to come and subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to always receive the video once we upload it. I remain Mayor. Salute.